The CR-V is one of the most ubiquitous vehicles on the road. Either you had one, have one, or your neighbor does. They're simply everywhere. But this next generation model, particularly in hybrid form, elevates the CR-V to an even more special place.
While shopping the new CR-V, you'll encounter 5 trim choices, ranging in price from just under $30,000 to just over $40,000. 2 of which are hybrids, and depending upon configuration, achieving as much as 43 mpg. And this one here is the new range topper, the Sport Touring Hybrid, with all features standard, including trim-specific goodies such as onboard navigation with voice recognition, a 12-speaker Bose sound system, ambient cabin lighting, albeit limited in nature, a heated steering wheel, a kick-activated tailgate, rain-sensing wipers, and a rear cross traffic monitor. Front-wheel drive isn't an option on the Sport Touring, but it is offered for the first time on the base Sport Hybrid. All-wheel drive is the name of the game with this one, and it improves upon the previous generation system with quieter, quicker operation and the ability to proactively apportion as much as 50% of the power to the electrically assisted rear wheels. There's also a new snow mode and hill descent control to accompany the same 8.2 inches of ground clearance as before. MSRP as tested is $40,395. Not only does the new CR-V take on a more authentic SUV appearance, but it grows yet again, adding another 2.7 inches in length and about a half an inch in width. And if your current CR-V seems to have too many obstructions, well, Honda's addressed them too. Forward visibility has been vastly improved by repositioning the A-pillars and side view mirrors. But the headline with this CR-V is the new hybrid system. First introduced on the 2020 model, this redesigned setup employs a direct fuel-injected version of the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a pair of more powerful electric motors, resulting in added refinement, responsiveness, and quietness. Though total system horsepower decreases from 212 to 204, the increase in torque from 232 pound-feet to 247 helps offset the extra 160 pounds, while delivering greater performance. Combined with the smooth and more satisfying direct transfer of power to the wheels, this is a hybrid system I can get behind. It feels and sounds more natural, like it's working through a geared transmission, and it moves about with its gas engine disengaged more often than most hybrids can. Just like in the new Accord, this 4th generation 2-motor system is the new benchmark for gasoline-electric hybrids. The previous CR-V hybrid is rated at 38 mpg in combined driving, while this one is down a tick to 37 mpg, while 40 mpg in city usage remains the same. And as I noted in my Accord review, Honda recommends, not requires, 91 octane for its new hybrids. Total driving range is also down from 532 miles to 518.
Just like in the new Accord, this CR-V convinces me that Honda has perfected the hybrid powertrain. It is flawless. I mean, there's nothing about it that isn't harmonious. So if 37 mpg appeals to you, well, this is the model to get. And furthermore, it just drives with a much higher level of sophistication than it used to, and it's palpable from the moment you get rolling. Combine that with its much more rugged exterior design and the upgraded technology, and this hybrid Sport Touring model is a bargain at $40,000.
The new B mode also allows for one-pedal drive, just like in an EV, with paddle shifters to adjust the intensity of the regen braking. It's a great drive, and it can also tow for the first time up to a modest 1,000 pounds. I love the new comfort-optimized leather seats with orange stitching, the high level of convenience features, and simple cabin layout. It's Honda through and through. A traditional shifter, easy-to-use touchscreen, and straightforward controls. The elevated quality and refinement seen in the powertrain continues in here, with the use of premium materials, overall quietness, and high-tech features such as wireless phone projection, a wireless charge pad, and a Navi system that feeds information to the hybrid system to maximize efficiency through predictive regenerative braking. Unfortunately, Honda still skimps on a height-adjustable passenger seat, even on the Sport Touring. Improved stuffage space, increased cargo room, spacious rear seats with recline, and a nearly flat floor mean the CR-V plays bigger than it looks. On the assistance front, there's now Traffic Jam Assist, which works at speeds below 45 miles per hour to essentially do the stop-and-go driving for you, and new traffic sign recognition, accompanying all of the other collision avoidance features, which now work more accurately thanks to better radar and camera performance. With its unique, sporty design elements, more thoughtful interior design, and vastly improved drivability, the new hybrid is going to keep the CR-V momentum rolling for Honda. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.